A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, Z for giraffe, H for hen, I for igloo, J for joker, K for kitten, L for large, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for pig, Q for quiz, R for ring, S for swan, T for train, U for umbrella, V for vest, W for window, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra.